Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2017 Ram 2500 ProMaster cargo van. This cargo van has been modified for full handicap access, is a white paint finish, and includes features such as our rear air conditioning, seating for 3, a fully functional handicap lift, assist steps for the driver, a sliding rear door, as well as 50-50 folding rear of the vehicle, and total seating for 5. Moving into the front of our vehicle, we have a black door handle. Just above it, the controls for our power folding outside mirrors, window controls, as well as our rear lock. The bottom of the door, we have a cup holder, a speaker, as well as some deep storage. Just on the left inside our door is our hood latch. All of the controls down the side of our seats, and we can see the seat here finished in our black cloth. Getting into the vehicle, just to the left of our steering wheel is our drive mode button. Looking above the steering wheel, we can see our display cluster with a digital information system in the middle. Down the left-hand side, we have all of our hands-free settings, as well as the right-hand side has some additional hands-free. Just to the right, we have our lock for the rear of our vehicle, as well as our shifter with our tow haul mode button. Infotainment system with our AM/FM radio, media, a compass, as well as phone connection. Front climate control, our hazard lights, as well as our window locks. We have 3 cup holders in the center between the seats, a USB and 12-volt plug, as well as a cup holder in front of our passenger seat. You can see the passenger seat here, finished in our black cloth. Then above the rear view mirror, we have our lighting controls, as well as all the controls for our rear climate control. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we can see we have an aluminum finish in our rim with a Dodge center cap. Moving out, we have folding trailering mirrors in a black finish door handles, an assist step across the bottom. You can see we have a high top. We also have tinted windows all the way down the vehicle, as well as in the back of the vehicle. You can see we have our Handicap logo, as well as our Ram ProMaster badging. We have a trailer hitch on the bottom. Opening into the back of the vehicle, we can see we have 50-50 split doors. Lots of room in the back, as well as 3 chairs. Release for the second door on the left-hand side. Continuing walking around the vehicle and walking down the passenger side. Opening up the rear passenger door. Looking inside, we can see our Ricon lift. All of the controls on the left-hand side of our lift. We have the handle just inside the door. We can see we have our stow, deploy, as well as up and down. If we hit deploy, we can see that it folds out. Down to extend the arm down. You can see it opens up in the front. Have our belt in the center. Moving on into the vehicle, we can see inside we have locks in our 3 seats. We have vents in the front of the vehicle. Our power inverter on the floor connected to our locks inside the vehicle. And to push up the ramp, we can see we have our up and our stow buttons. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2017 Ram 2500 ProMaster. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.